I was off for the week and I planned on doing a lot of bow hunting. Well, my boat was ready from the mechanic, and so I stopped to pick it up. And I said, well, why not just go onto the lake and run it to see how it does? I come up here and I launched. I got out on the water. It was a fairly warm day for the year. I was enjoying the boat ride, and I was kind of checking everything as I turned around to make sure I was still circulating water. And the next thing I know, I hit something, and I was thrown out of the boat with no life jacket, no kill switch. And then the boat kept running. And as I come out, evidently I knocked the throttle wide open, and then it proceeded to make circles. And I was hit 4 times while out in the water. And was out there for what I think 30 to 45 minutes before somebody found me. And luckily a bass fisherman had seen the boat doing circles, and Kevin Miller, you know, if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't be here. He just held on to me and just said, you know, hold on, bud, hold on, bud. And then shortly after, East Marshall Rescue Squad showed up. I remember getting into the boat with them, but I remember getting put into the ambulance and then the East Marshall. But once we got there, I was taken out of the ambulance and put into the helicopter. For the first day and a half, I don't remember. I woke up, had a breathing tube. I was restrained to the bed. And then later I found out I had 7 fractured ribs, fractured sternum, deflated lung, and a broken nose as a result of the accident. Safety, safety, safety. You've got to wear a kill switch. You've got to wear a life jacket, because this whole tragedy could have been prevented just as simple as a kill switch. Not wrapping it around the throttle, not disconnecting it, but running it. Just something simple could have stopped it very easily. But safety, more importantly than anything. Have all your life jackets, your fire extinguisher, everything in place, and wear it. Just don't leave it in there. Use it. I had it, and I didn't use none of it. And then as a result, spent 10 days in ER over it.